Hey guys, Austin Stanfeld here with Creative Recreational Systems, and today I'm happy to announce the relaunch of our Nature Tree series. We've got some new designs from this series that has been around for a few years. It has been one of our most popular series, and it has some accents of tree branches and some additional components that really make you feel like you are in nature while still giving that utility of a traditional post and deck system. So without further ado, enjoy.